Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete Pinterest history on mobile for iOS and Android updated version. So the first thing that we need to do is to head on Pinterest app. So this works onto both iOS devices and Android devices. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my Pinterest feed already, and to go ahead and delete the history for that. So if you click onto search, you should be able to see in here all of the search that I did or the history that I did onto my Pinterest. To remove them, you can manually click onto the X icon in here. But if you want to go ahead and remove all of this in here, there is a simpler way. Click onto your profile in here. Right after, once you're already onto your profile, click onto your profile again here onto the upper part. And here under settings, you should be able to find in privacy and data. Click onto that and scroll down until you find in clear app cache. So if you click onto that, the app cache has been cleared. So this should go ahead and also remove the history onto your Pinterest account. And once you refresh this and head back again here onto the search, you should be able to remove the history that you did onto your Pinterest account. But if you're still seeing the search in here, you could just manually remove them by clicking onto the X icon, since this differ onto different devices. And that is how you could delete Pinterest history on mobile for iOS and Android. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.